Hi everyone, it's Susie again from ACR Training. Today I'm going to be showing you some more searching techniques in the new and improved Invoice Maintenance. So to begin, we'll just go into the Invoice Maintenance dashboard, and I will continue on with the same example I did last time and just complete a global search for my petrol station customers by just typing in petrol and hitting enter. Now, using filters will help narrow your search results down so you can easily find what you're looking for. So, for example, if I wanted to look at my petrol station customers but only from a certain salesperson, I can use my filter, click on salesperson and enter in their name or salesperson ID and hit enter, and then I've got my results narrowed down. I then have the option of using a second filter. So I could then further filter by my Tuesday batch ID, enter in the batch ID, hit enter, and I've narrowed my results down significantly. We hope the new edition of filters will save you a whole lot of time, and remember, if you have any training questions, please give us a ring, and thank you for watching.